Bo, time to make a cake. Bo is going to make a cake today. And this is what you do. You get the ingredients, which is vegetable oils, water and an egg and a cake mix.
Pour that into there, Bo.
Pour it all into the bowl. That's right. Now you get one of the mixes.
That's it. Pour that into there. Good
That's
girl.
the water.
That's the water. Good girl, Bo.
Mix it up.
Mix it up. That's a good girl. That's it. Get it all in there, Bobo.
Now pour in the other bowl, which is the oil.
Where's the oil? Leave that there, darling. Get this one. And you put that in there. All of that. That's it. Shake, shake, shake. Good girl. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it all up. Good girl. That's it. Nice and slow. Really good, Bobo. Oh, she's doing a good job.
Now get the other bowl.
And in the red one, Bobo, there's an egg. You're going to put that in there, Bobo.
In goes the egg.
Wow. All of it, Bo. Good girl. It's nanny. Right, you're going to mix it, Bo.
Mix
all
it up.
Good, good. You're going to mix it really good now, Bobo. Get everything in. Good girl. Keep mixing it. It's going to take a while.
A short time later.
Going to put the mixture. Okay, you do it.
Now the mix is ready. Bobo's going to pour it into the tubs. Again, again, again.
Okay, keep mixing it.
Pour the next one.
Good girl, Bo.
That's it. Fill it up. Fill them to the top. A short time later.
That's it. Oh, good girl.
Into the
Shut
oven.
the door, babe. Shut the door. Oh,
And now we wait.
Take a cookie.
Starting with the Arab League. So we are looking forward to the Security Council.
Cool down. We need to cool down.
And use the finished cakes. Well done, Bo. Time to decorate then. Let's put the cream on. Well done. That's enough. And now put some sprinkles on. Lovely. And we eat the cake later. Yay!
well done, Bo.
Surprise!